What's up guys, Gunprimer here, and I have another parcel. So let's get straight into it. I've been waiting a while for this one to come from the States. It is Gunpla related, but it's not Gunpla related, if that makes sense. It's not a kit. This has come from a website many of you know and love and come to have respected over the years. Oh man, it's an early Wednesday morning. I was woken up by the doorbell by UPS. The delivery service is impeccable in the UK. Don't know about the rest of the world, but here in the UK they make sure the parcel is delivered to the person. I know in the States that some people have parcels left on their doorstep and then they get stolen. In the UK that doesn't happen. If you're not in, you can't have your parcel delivered. It's either delivered to your next door neighbour or it goes back to the depot and you can collect it. It's never left at risk of theft. I don't know why in America that is even a thing. That, you know, the delivery driver just lobs a parcel onto the property. He's like, oh, it's delivered now, bye. Fuck that. Anyway, as you can tell by the box, this is from that lovely company called Displate. If you don't know of Displate, get yourself on there. They have millions and millions of artworks on there. When you buy a piece of artwork, not only do you plant the tree, they obviously they commission the artist with some dollary dues as well for the pieces. Excuse me. So you can go on there, select what artworks you want. These are the smallest ones. The size of this, it's massive. It's like A3 size is their smallest size. I think it's like 17 inches by 13 inches or something like that. It's immense. And then the next size up is double of these, so it's like an A. Well, I think it's bigger than A2. No, it's A2 size. And then the next size up is A1. It's like 4 of these. Madness. Now they are a bit pricey. I think these are about £35, so maybe about $40 each. You can buy them in matte or gloss, or you can have them framed at extra cost. But I use Amazon and Google and stuff like that, and I installed Honey. And at checkout, you press Honey, it goes through loads of discount codes and so on, and it picks the best one for you. But if you don't have Honey, what they sometimes do is for first time purchases, you can have free postage if you type in free into the code in checkout, and that takes away all the delivery, which is normally about £15 to $20. Obviously within the States, shipping's going to be a little bit better for you cost wise, because it's obviously an American firm. But I can't fault them so far. It's only taken 2 weeks, which ain't bad considering the you know what's going on in the world right now. But without further ado, I mean, smacking my gums, let's open this bad boy. These boxes are nice. Who says a small pastor can't start a big collection? You know what? That's what I'm really fucking scared of. I got some stickers. Hey, they're completely irrelevant and out of context. But sure. Thanks, guys. Here we go. They're individually wrapped. There's card in between. Oh, each art piece. This is what I was worried about sticking them to something. But it comes with your own instructions oh man, you can't fault these guys. It comes with step-by-step instructions on how to mount the thing, because these are metal plates and they are just a kit, all included kit. That's nice, that's really nice. Now what I was worried about is because they are metal, is it bent and warped and stuff, but nope, nothing I can't deal with. There we go, look at that. I mean, it's got its plastic on it, so you're gonna get a bit of a shine. So shall I take that off? Let's take this off. Let's unbox the artwork, unbag it without scratching it a bit. Now they're like metal plates that have got a print on them, and you can magnetise the wall or whatever, wherever you want to mount them. Look at that. That is a nice bit of line work. With a bit of ghosting around the edge to give it a bit of depth. I typed in Gundam in Displate, not thinking that there'd be a lot, but there was pages. There was pages and pages and pages of Gunprimer. Now this is what they look from behind. Look at that. It just oozes quality. Oozes quality. Pardon me. Display yourself here. They have got such a business model, such a good business model that, you know, it makes you proud that you've helped their company, because I've planted 2 trees now because I ordered 2 products. So it's a wholesome company. So you can imagine, like, you know, they're all well-to-do people, they're all decent people, they're proud of their product, they're proud of their work. I'll unbag this one as well. But like I say, I bought the cheapest orders because, one, I didn't really want glossy paint, so I got a couple of matte pieces. And I'll tell you what, it the man himself, check that out, that's amazing. Fucking legendary, absolutely legendary. And they're like, they're hand signed, and they've got the official Displate holograph, just like a New Era baseball cap, man. They are banging. So they're going to go on the wall, probably there in front of me. I mean, I could put one there as a backdrop if I do photographs or something, or just have them like that, you know, just in my little Gundam corner. The thing with Displate, you can put them anywhere you like. And also, when it comes to the discounts and stuff like that, I was going to say something. There was the free one, obviously. When you do make a purchase and you go back online and check your emails and stuff, they will send you another further code giving you 15% off your next purchase. So say you get 2 and you think, oh, you know what, I want another 2 for the other room, you will still get codes, you will still get discounts. And I got the code that I put in for these particular 2 at the time. Out of about 8 or 9 codes, they were better than the codes that the site gave me, and I got 25% off overall, which covered the shipping as well as a discount off of the pieces. So the shipping was going to be 15 quid, so it gave me £5 off each unit. So happy days. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. I'll wrap this up, make a little video, put it on YouTube. I'll be back on Twitter today, so I'll be doing a lot of pushing and a lot of promoting and bits and pieces on there for the channel. I've got a new Discord. If you join the link below, it's a growing community. Become part of the elite group that is part of the Gundam Lounge. Loads of guys in there already that are, you know, making the place a vibe. Jump in, make yourself at home, say hello, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.